Well, thanks for calling, but I store all my data on Laserdisc. They're the future. They use lasers. I don't expect much growth in cloud computing.
What is it, boy? Timmy's stuck in the well?
First word, second syllable, the Shaggy DA. No, snakes on a plane. Timmy was bitten by a rattlesnake.
What was it, boy? Was it a pumpkin accident?
So Timmy's in the big pumpkin. Does Timmy have the whooping cough? Did he fall from a weather balloon? Bed bugs? Is it chronic halitosis? Income tax evasion? Crushed by a piano?
What is it, boy?